Hey guys, in today's video, Geno's here. Sleeping over. We're gonna go to Country Fair, go in the pond.
Yeah.
To the intro. Fish.
See ya.
For more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe to Ellen Chicks Outdoors. To the video. Alright guys.
We're gonna go in the pond first, so let's get dressed. Let's go.
Alright guys, we'll see you out there. We're gonna get the big tripod for the Insta360.
There it is right here.
Shut this.
There it is right here.
Alright, we'll get in the pond.
Okay guys, we are down the pond now. Eli is setting up the Insta360. We're having problems. I'm going to jump into the water. Oh dang! I didn't bring my fishing rod. My dad didn't get home in time and it's in his truck.
What, a fishing rod?
Yeah.
I have just one.
You ever caught anything in here?
Nope.
What's in here?
I've tried a couple of times.
What kind of fish are in here?
You know, just goldfish.
There's goldfish?
Yep.
You sure there's nothing else?
Sure. Unless...
No. I know you'd be crazy. And it was a black guy standing there. It was black and kettle flavor. Oh, the whole pot. Geno, poop there. Geno, poop there. Me and Eddie have been thinking of going to McDonald's up there on bikes.
Where's the McDonald's there? You mean way over there?
Well, on bikes.
Okay guys, we have the over there. It just leaks gas out of the car, but I'm pretty sure it's because they bypassed the fuel filter. So we just bypassed this thing, so we'll probably just clean that out, put some there's sand in it.
Pretty obvious. Yeah, I have something to tell you.
What?
I'm actually a lesbian.
Engine, and I'm walking down to the pond right now with our mixed gasoline. And we're gonna put an engine up, and then we might even try to do the clean work. I don't know. We don't think it's gonna work. Eli's worried about the float, and I'm like, no, it's a boat. Just don't worry. I don't think it's running if it's so whatever. It's coming down right now. But I gotta get the canoe ready. So here is our canoe. Pretty nice canoe. Water. I'm gonna jump in the water.
And send it. Watch this, it's gonna go. Did you ever know a boat
can do a wheelie. Not until we saw Geno, right?
Not a canoe.
That's a kneeboard for a G-ski. Oh!
Oh my God! It's so steep!
AJ, what does it say on the back?
Hop on, guys. I'll pull you around a little bit.
Stearns.
Stearns?
Stearns.
Wait, do you bring your life jacket?
Yeah, this is my life jacket.
AJ,
This is
hop on.
Aiden's. Aiden's just saying, I was wondering where we got life jacket.
Oh.
You have the same ones?
AJ, hop on.
Wait, Bueno, we have to fix it.
How cold's the water?
It's so sticky. My hands are getting wet.
AJ, you got swim trunks?
Yeah, I'm in my swim trunks, dude.
I didn't know you knew we were swimming, man.
Oh!
Aiden told me to.
He dropped the tape. Did you see that? It's like.
Yeah. Don't kill me.
No, it's fine. It's better with one person in the front.
Yeah, it doesn't stink like it. Just like,
Let's hop in.
There we go.
We gotta get it turned around. There's boats in the boat.
the blows in the canoe.
Okay.
You turn it off there, right? Making a wait.
It's way better with only two people. It's a little heavy for it.
Get out, you fat cell.
No, it's look at that full throttle. And then we'll try to wait for it.
I'm floating.
Oh, show him how to start it up.
Yeah, you're cool with it. You're cool.
Aiden, if you were
Wait,
to
does it spin around? Wait, don't.
yeah, to do a reverse, we saw a snapping turtle this big in the water at the reservoir.
Wait, Aiden, wait, I'm gonna push you out. Don't.
Come here.
Alright, throw it up to Geno.
He's gonna drive first. He's gonna give it a little drive.
Full throttle. Make sure the throttle's all turned a little bit.
All the way to full throttle. That's what I
No,
heard.
not full. Fan full.
Give me a man pool there, Sonny. You want full throttle.
What is full throttle? Like,
All the way turn the opposite way of what you're turning. Yeah, right there. That's
Alright, Frankie, it's my turn.
Come on.
Aiden, don't hit me. Is it mine? You don't have a life jacket.
And you can't drive.
Why?
Because you're not big enough. Your arms won't even reach halfway out.
Eli, I drove it before.
With the big coat on it.
With the old one. With the electric. What's that car?
Yeah, hold it. That's funny.
no, I want you to take the two. Get it ready.
Who wants to be pulled around when I
I do.
drive? Because I think I help. Come on, I need help.
Oh, no.
Over here, send it in.
Wait, no, I'm so close. I'm close.
Okay, kill it. Okay, just put all your weight to the other side.
You right?
Wait, Geno, just go slow.
I want to try hanging on the front.
This is all my weight, you know.
Geno, go the other side. Oh my gosh.
Okay, there we go.
Alright guys, the GoPro battery's almost dead.
She did.
She might have overheated. She barely pulling it over.
Yeah, but she'll come back. There's no worries.
Lit.
But we're just gonna be lounging. We're lounging in the pond with the boys. If you know what I mean.
You know what I mean?
You probably don't.
Yeah, I'll put your crock in there.
That'll like got more gas leak. Yeah, like put a bucket.
Yeah, from the pipe to like. Hey guys, we're just gonna do a little pond video in. Here we go. Little time lapse. Hey guys, we are back in the house. E-Train is just looking at some YouTube notifications. I am about to get a shower. Yes.
Alright guys, we're having cheese sticks, we're playing pool. Me and Geno got the first W, Aiden got it in. So me and Geno are winning. Night guys, see you in the morning. It is right now 5:40. We're gonna go out and scare Aiden and AJ and then go to Wendy's and the country fair. Let's do it.
Alright. What's up guys, we're gonna head to Cofair on the Kubota now. We are halfway to Cofair. Well, not really halfway, but most of the way. Not even most. We're most of the way to half to Cofair. Highway's right over there. But it's just like pitch black. You know the way, right? I'm holding the camera. What's up, guys? We are almost to the road. Eli's ordering up for Wendy. I'm running. Have not seen any animals this morning, except for AJ. We saw AJ. It's a pretty large animal. So yeah, see you guys when we're on the road.
Hey guys, we're on the straightaway. We get to Wendy's and Cofair. Geno sure it was on Inside Out or something. We'll see when we get there. Wendy's, I was trying to order on my phone because I've got some rewards and that stupid stuff. But it's opening soon at like 7, so hopefully they'll be open for something, for some food. We're waiting for Wendy's to open.
Yeah, it's 6:30.
Drive-through as we tried to.
Yeah, we tried to go through drive-through, but we're not a car.
No, but you know, needs to eat some more donuts.
Yeah, let's just jump on it. How I think
This feels weird. You guys don't know where we are. Under country fair.
Yeah. Still sitting here. Calling AJ. We tried to order through the app, but you can only order through drive-through, which is so dumb. Why wouldn't they? Might just not have enough staff here yet. Kind of annoying.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hey guys, so
Do you know who Abner is?
Abner's dad.
Point at you. Delivers donuts.
Yeah, he delivers donuts, and he got us a
Aiden?
dozen donuts.
Yeah.
We just got breakfast at Wendy's. We're just getting drinks.
Oh.
I do a mix with some vanilla. That's good. Cherry vanilla. And do a little normal. That's it. He's acquired. Bueno.
Wendy's required. He told me to say that.
We're gonna eat our Wendy's at the pavilion.
Hopefully it's not
See
as
what we
bad
got.
as last time.
It was that bad. It was just. I had a little Sammy, alright.
He was sad. He was crying.
Yeah, those are my fries.
Those are my fries. No, being mean. You're being mean. So guys, this is what I got to eat.
Powered by milk.
Ketchup packets.
You know, got him some ketchup. Generous this time.
That's mine.
Oh, I got a burrito.
You got the burrito. Yeah.
Never got one of those.
What else do we have in there? Hamburger.
That's yours? Oh, I got some Cholula.
Cholula. It's Cholula.
Alright guys, we just ate our food. Bueno? I gotta say to them.
So you got the Kubota.
We're here. Kubota, seeing us flew from the sky.
Woo!
Easy way. We're getting the ducks out. We are using water. There's a power outage gonna happen for a reason.
They're cutting the power line trees.
They're doing something, but
Trim the trees that go by the power line.
you sure?
Yeah.
So we gotta get waters. So before the power goes out for the animals, it's 7:50.
You're gay fisher?
The gay fisher. So we gotta fill you in a little more. So remember we were down by the pond and it was like kind of seized. That was because the spark plug was so bad. You gotta see this. It's watery.
Oh, what's up, good? I'm in the goatee zone. You go. Oh my gosh, there's babies in there.
Really?
No, that'd be awesome. There's 7 babies.
Here's a wait. We gotta get
18 babies in there.
Here's an old spark plug.
Come on, girls. Come on.
No, leave me in there.
Don't come out. What are you doing?
So the water got in the engine. I don't know. I wonder why. But we turned it over when the spark plug was out to get water out, and now it starts up nicely.
Yeah, she just started way better because we put a new spark in it.
Yeah.
We still got plenty of gas, so that should be good.
Yeah.
Do we have plenty of gas?
Yeah. We have the whole can. Alright guys.
We're about to hit the water.
Sorry if the camera's a little bad. But we're gonna bring the camera in the water this time. Bring the game fisher out. Got to fill it up with some gas. Gonna take her out again. Have some fun on the water. We have life jackets, just so you know, YouTube. Always wear life jackets.
Always really excited. Yep. Don't ever not. We might die. Love preserve us.
We're gonna fill it up with gas.
Alright. Geno, first send. Wait, the choke's on. Alright, let me see.
It's off now. Down like three. Remote now on. Alright guys, that was successful. We're gonna drive for a little bit. I'm gonna drive now.
Hey guys.
Okay.